There are two reasons why you clicked on this video. First, you want to annoy someone. Second, there is no second reason. I know you want to annoy someone. So in this Python video, I'm going to show you how you can create a program that can send automatic messages which you can use to spam your homies, or you can use to send cute messages to your crush. So let's get started. To get started, you will need a code editor or an IDE. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code because I like it. I'm in my spam folder and I have created a file named as spam.txt where I have some text, hello bro, 96 times because I want to spam my friends this much. So in here I'm going to create a file named as spam.py. Every Python file should end with the extension as .py. Now let's start to code. We need to import some modules. The first module is going to be import time, and next we need to import a module named as pyautogui. So pyautogui. If you get an error or a yellow line under this, make sure you install the pyautogui module in your machine. You can do that by running a command pip install and the name of the module, that is pyautogui. I have already installed the module, so I'm going to get that requirement already satisfied. If you haven't, it will start downloading for you. Next is I need to open a file which is spam.txt. So open, and name of the file spam.txt, and I'm going to put this in a variable name as f, which stands for file. Next I'm going to pass a for loop. So for line in f pyautogui dot typewrite line. I want the pyautogui to press enter automatically as well, and I can do that with Python. So pyautogui, press the key which is enter. So enter. Right. Make sure you put a time sleep for like 5 seconds for you to go and open the messenger, or else it will start sending messages on your terminal itself. So I'm going to put a time sleep of 4 seconds. So time.sleep and 4 seconds. Now save this. Once you have the code ready, you can run it, like start debugging, and go back, put the cursor where you want to spam it, and then you can see it starts spamming your friends. Now your friends will get annoyed, and this is what you wanted. So this is how it is done. If you have any questions, you can let me know. I hope you like the video, so please subscribe and have a good day.